Hey guys, Alem here with your DMV team. We're getting ready to show you guys this beautiful property here in Woodbridge, Virginia. This house actually is over 4,500 square feet. It's a 2-car garage. It has obviously 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And wait until you get inside this home. It is absolutely stunning. Everything in this home is completely remodeled from top to bottom. You absolutely don't want to miss it. Come join me.